Okay. Thank you so much, Chona. Good night, good night. Thank you so much. So, Aya, still in your house? This is 1 minute more to go. YouTube tutorial, thank you so much. Yes, YouTube, John Merrill, YouTube tutorial is from Canada, now in Japan. Ma'am Iya, thank you so much. And katay sigid kay natay ka collaboration. Alam, Ma'am Iya, 71 watching na pud ka. Isa ka na pud siya. Di na kaniya patulugon, Ma'am Iya. Grabe na yun siya. Di na siya muundang. 71 watching na siya. So, ayan. Ano na to, harang na to ha. One of two. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I have work tomorrow, so I will not stay longer. Thank you so much, everyone. I appreciate your coming and supporting iConnect Live. Now that the last visitor had been visited already and payback, so I think it's time for me to say goodbye and say my prayers and say good night to everyone. So see you again tomorrow at 7 p.m. At this 7 p.m. at the afternoon, okay? The 7 p.m. at the afternoon. So that's redundancy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jamie. I am already in your playlist, and so ano rin. Yes, see you again tomorrow. You take care because of course the typhoon is in your vicinity. So you take care over there. I hope your internet connection will keep going and will not be out of the site. It will not be out of the site. So yeah, enjoy your remaining time. John Merrill, thank you so much. Have a good day for you. Wishing you the best. And with Miss Hello, wishing you the best. Okay, so time for me to say goodbye. Goodbye, and good night to everyone. Love you all. See you tomorrow again at 7 p.m. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, John Merrill, for watching